Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, I'm still in my robe. It is currently Tuesday morning and I've been working away. I've actually been preparing a bunch of packages of personal protective equipment for our employees. So we're packing gloves and reusable masks and hand sanitizer and disposable masks and bunch of other fun stuff to go in these little PPE packages for everyone. So it's about lunchtime now, but I'm honestly not really hungry and my apartment is a mess. It's really hard for me to focus when it's a mess. So I figured I would take a little break and start doing some cleaning, throw some things in the laundry, tidy up the bed, that kind of stuff. But obviously I need to get changed. I'm literally still in my robe, which is pathetic. I should already be in regular person clothes by now, but not the point. It's work from home in quarantine, so there are no rules as far as I'm concerned. But anyways, I do have a meeting in not too long, about an hour I think. So I need to kind of pick up things around the house before that starts. I might make a little snack instead of a full lunch since I'm not quite hungry yet. But I wanted to do just like a little cleaning vlog for you guys because like I said, the apartment is really gross right now. It has just piled up over the past week or so and I've just not had time to properly clean and put stuff away. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for you guys today. I love watching cleaning videos. They're so satisfying and they motivate me to clean. So hopefully this gives you guys some motivation to tidy up in your home as well. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and if that's something you guys wanna watch, then just stay tuned for all the cleaning vibes. I was gonna say, I put on normal clothes, but really I just put on a jacket with a sports bra and some leggings. So, you know what? That's as good as it's gonna get in quarantine. Even if I do have a meeting later today, it's just like a little weekly meeting that I have with everyone on my team. Not my team, but like the team that I am on, if that makes sense. So yeah, gonna clean up my bathroom, I think, and try and get all of this tidied up before the meeting starts. Just put the first load of bedding in the washer, and then I'll put the rest of it and more of it and then clothes as we get on through the day and those finish up. So yeah, gonna definitely tidy up this bathroom though because it needs it. I'm back. Okay, so it has been quite a few hours now, actually. I am all finished up with the work day. Meeting went super well. It was a really quick one actually this time. Wrapped up a couple other fun things and I cleared out all of the stuff that I had in here for making those PPE packages because I wanted to move it all in my office, which is where it belongs anyways. So that cleared out a bunch of crap from the floor, although there's still a ton. So pretty much finished cleaning up the bathroom. The bed sheets and stuff are now on their last load drying, so I'll be able to make the bed soon. But right now I'm just going to run around my room and kind of pick up and stuff and then take my laundry basket into our laundry room to get it ready to get washed and start a load of that and just keep on checking on. So enjoy. This is probably a really obvious hack, but I don't know, I just felt like sharing it because it's a cleaning vlog and I'm gonna share what I feel like. But one thing that I really make sure that I do whenever I'm cleaning is, like for instance, I just took a plate and a few cans of Diet Coke that needed to get thrown away into the kitchen. And one thing that I do is that whenever I go into another room to deposit something, if I also need to clean up that room, I make sure that I pick something up that needs to come with me. So for instance, I walked to the kitchen and I passed the dining room and noticed my book that I'm currently reading and a pair of shoes were out there. So I picked these up and I'm gonna put these in my closet and put these next to the bed because that's where they belong. And now I don't have to worry about it when I move on to that section of the house. So if you don't do that, start doing it and it'll probably save you some time. My room is for the most part done. Like I said, stuff is still drying in the dryer, so that will come in a second. This is a whole load of clean clothes, but I'm gonna make the bed before I dump all this out on the bed and sort through those and fold them. And then over here, I just have like pillows and stuff that will end up going on the bed, so there's no point in trying to work that out now because I gotta wait for the bed to be made. So anyways, started another load of laundry as you guys saw, and now the next task is tidying this front room area. I have to accept partly that it's not going to be fully tidy because there is Lego stuff everywhere, which is understandable because like y'all saw in my previous vlog, if you watched it, Brendan is building a Executor Dreadnought Star Destroyer. So this stuff is going to stay here. All those bags are going to stay there, but I have some boxes, some placemats, books, etc., and just kind of junk over here that all needs to get sorted out. So I'm going to tidy this up and hopefully make some progress because it's gross. Sorry if you can hear the dryer in the background. All right, that's a little bit better. There's not so much stuff in the walkway. And I kind of pushed back all of the Lego stuff as far as I could with keeping it like nice and organized and everything. Obviously, Maxie approves. Mama, do you approve? Yes. I left this stuff here just because we are going to go to the gym as soon as Brendan gets back. He'll be back any minute now. And then I left like his tennis shoes and deadlift shoes out here because this is where he always just leaves them, and it's just more of a hassle to put them back just for him to come in and take them off and leave them right there anyways, so it's just not worth it. But now I'm going to start tackling the kitchen. It's a little nasty in here right now. There's some dishes that need to be done, unloaded and reloaded, and just some trash and stuff that needs to be put away. So let's get to it. This is definitely a lot better. No scattered random stuff, no dishes in the sink. The only thing that I'm not super happy about is the floors are pretty nasty. The cats have their wet food plates, which I think I'm gonna leave for one more day. I normally leave them for about 3 days before I change those out. But as you can see, like especially over here, the floor is really nasty. So the only other thing that I need to do is vacuum, but I need to vacuum the entire house, so I think I'm just gonna wait until I kind of have everything done, and then tonight after we get back from the gym I will vacuum everything up. But it's looking pretty clean. As you can probably tell, it's a lot later now, but came home from the gym, had some dinner, and the sheets were done, so I just made the bed, and now I'm gonna start on laundry, my least favorite part. I only have one load that is completely dry and ready to go. The second load is in the dryer, and the third load is washing right now. So, hoping I can get this done by a decent hour, fingers crossed. Well, I'm never gonna finish the laundry because it's not like I can just move this little nugget. She loves cozying up in fresh laundry so much. Oh, why are you so precious? Oh, she's such a sweet girl, you guys. How am I gonna finish the laundry? She's so cute. She's like, Mom, you're embarrassing me. Oh. It's all clean. Ignore Brendan. He is currently playing his war game, which is super loud and annoying. But closet is perfectly clean and organized and ready to go for another day. And it just feels so good to have the room cleaned, the apartment cleaned. The only thing that I didn't get to do today was I didn't get around to vacuuming. It is currently 11:11, make a wish, and it's time for me to go to bed, so I am just not up for it. The laundry took for freaking ever, and as you can see, I'm already in my PJs. All I need to do, I'm also watching Angie Belmar. Sorry, Angie, that's not the most flattering place to pause a video, but as you can see, I'm in my PJs. All I need to do is wash my face, brush my teeth, and I will be ready for bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little cleaning vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe by hitting that big red subscribe button in the down bar below. My social media links will be down there as well if you want to follow me out and we can hang out on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.